Hey folks, today we're going to pick this American lock, series 5200, and as you probably have already noticed, I've got a cold, so please be with me while I'm trying to pick this lock. So let's clamp the thing up, see if it works. Yep, it does work. Let's back up again. Let's use tension wrench and a medium or deep hook. One is springy, two is binding, gives us some clicks. Three is binding, gave us a click. Four does nothing, five is binding, and gave us a click. So let's see. We can do now. One is springy, two is set, I think. Three just gives a click. We've got a full set after pressing 4. Let's try and set 4 because I think it's a spool. Got some good counter rotation coming from it. Okay, and we've got an open. So let's try the lock is open. And let's quickly got it. So what do we need for this? Okay, a screwdriver. Let me just quickly get a screwdriver because I'm completely unprepared again. Okay, sorry for that. So let's see, it's actually the first time I'll get such a thing. Okay, there's a screw. It's the core. And that's the mechanism for releasing the shackle there. This little plate, I think it's there like this, and it's probably there to prevent to bypass this lock by simply sticking something in and turning the shackle releasing mechanism up there. So we don't care, we just want to get the thing. We probably lock this up again. And now we remove this C-clip. It's so tiny. How can we get this thing off? It works. Okay. So how can we get this thing? Because I don't have a follower which will work because it has this weird little groove here. Well, I think we will have to try because I already locked it up because I'm stupid. Okay, follower. So, and we have to use our key. Something like that. And let's hope that this will work. But quite honestly, I don't think so. Well, let's just hope for the best. Oh, well, that worked quite fine. Didn't expect to make a huge mess. And apparently we've got 5 pins, but there would be a hole for a 6th one. But if you have a close look inside here, you can see that the key is actually not long enough for this 6th pin. So I don't know what's up with that. But you probably can't fit a 6th pin here inside, which just rides at the very tip of the key. Anyway, let's drop the pins, key pins in here. Oh wow, that's a serrated pin, that's a standard. Serrated, serrated, serrated. I've actually never seen serrated key pins. In real life I've seen people cutting locks with serrated key pins, but that's a first for me. So let's see how this was. I think it was like that. If it wasn't. Okay. Oh, come on. We've got a serrated pin, beautiful pin. Another serrated pin. Which I've got here. Another serrated one. Or oh, come on. Yep, another serrated one. A serrated spool for 4. So this was really a spool. And 5. There's another serrated pin. So I actually am really surprised, because this is exactly what I thought it would be. Didn't expect the spool to be serrated too, but the rest are really all serrated pins, like I would expect from an American lock. Let's have a closer look at this. I think they are beautifully serrated. It's a nice work. Wish we had locks like these over here, because to be honest I don't like AUSs that much, but anyway. That's the American lock, Series 5200 for you. Thanks for watching. Keep it legal and see you guys around.